Hello everybody, today I'm going to give you some tips to avoid 485 visa refusal. The reason that we are making this video today is because we've had so many students come to our office with 485 visa refusals in the last few days. And the mistakes that they have made on their application could have been easily avoided. Number one is choose the right stream. So there are two streams with 485 visa. So the first one is the post-study work stream, where you have done a higher education like master's or bachelor's for more than 2 years, and you get the post-study work visa for 2 years. The second stream is the graduate work stream, where you have done a diploma or a certificate for 2 years, and the occupation outcome is on the MLTSSL list, and you also have a skill assessment. So the skill assessment could be provisional or full skill assessment, and you get this visa for 18 months. My number two tip is always attach the evidence of your English test. So many students are confused because they think they can attach the English test results after they have lodged the visa. So the law says that you need to have sat an English test in the last 3 years before you make an application of the 485 visa. So it is one of the most common mistakes, and you make sure that you have already got the English test results before you lodge your 485 visa. My number three tip is evidence of Australian Federal Police check. So many students, they think that they can actually apply for the Australian Federal Police check after they have lodged the visa. But you need to have applied for the Australian Federal Police check at least a day before you lodge your 485 visa, and also make sure that you apply for the AFP and you choose code 33 when you are lodging your Australian Federal Police check. You can lodge your 485 visa with the evidence that you have lodged the Australian Federal Police check. You can attach the receipt even if you haven't received the result of your AFP yet. And my number four tip is always attach the evidence of the completion date. So many students confuse this with the conferral date. So conferral date, you will have it on your academic statement that you receive from the university, and sometimes you actually have to request them to give you the completion letter because the department wants to see the completion date on your completion letter when you actually finished your studies. So if you have lodged your visa with just the COE, transcripts or academic statement, it's most likely that your visa will be refused. My number five tip is attach the evidence of your health cover. So if you're on a student visa and say your visa is expiring on the 30th of June, you need to attach the evidence of your student health cover until the 30th of June, and make sure you've also got the evidence of overseas visitor health cover from 30th of June onwards. So these were my 5 tips to avoid 485 visa refusal. However, I highly recommend that you use a registered migration agent for the 485 visa, because this visa does sound very easy, but it is one of the trickiest visas to be lodged by yourself. So if you have recently received a refusal on your 485 visa, or you are ready to lodge your 485 visa, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you. Also, I just want to say that we have started a Facebook group which is only for the current international students in Australia. We will put the link in the description. Please feel free to join the group, and you can also share the group with your friends.